Hi, I'm Keith Costello. I'm the chairman and CEO of Locality Bank. When I was a kid, I always thought I would become a scientist when I grew up, which is probably about as dramatically the opposite of being a banker as you could imagine. I'm sure there's other things, but I was really into science as a kid. And so I always envisioned myself, building a rocket or something like that. So when I get an honor like this from the South Florida Business Journal, I immediately realize how fortunate that I am to have been able to have such great people to work at Locality Bank. No one person does anything in any organization. The real success of any organization, whether it's a business or a sports team, is about the people you recruit and attract. If you think about the greatest teams in history, the coaches get credit, but is it really the coach or is it, the players that they have on those teams? And I think it's more really attracting that great talent. Motivating them, making them happy, giving them a place where they can excel. And that's what I think about. For me, entrepreneurship has always been a dream. When I first started my business career, I actually wanted to own my own restaurant. I thought I was going to open restaurants and hotels all over the world. But shortly after getting married, I realized that wasn't conducive to having a family. And so I ended up in banking, but I still had that entrepreneurial itch to start my own thing. And at first I didn't realize that you could actually start your own bank. And I started working in community banks, and I saw that, you can be an entrepreneur and still launch your own bank. And so for me, once I did that, there was no going back. I like that feeling of entrepreneurship, of creating something, of taking that risk and doing something big. The most meaningful part of building this bank, I'd say there's two things that really come to mind. And again, first it's people, and then the other part is our clients. So we're helping our clients build their lives. We're helping businesses succeed. We're helping people really realize their dreams by creating this bank. So it's people who are on our team that are building lives and building their dreams by helping our clients do the same thing. The area we serve and the reason that we've had the growth that we've had as a new bank shows that we're fitting the needs of local companies. And local companies, by and large, we can handle their needs at a local level. They don't need to be at a large, which is always going to be less than personal experience than what we can deliver. I think my 9-year-old self would say, you've really found your purpose, which is what I do feel is true. I'm still working well past the age when many people like me have retired. I don't even think about retirement. I love what I'm doing. I enjoy it. It's a purpose for me of living and being able to help people. So I think my 9-year-old self would be happy at where I ended up.